friends, so today's lecture we are discussing the unit 4 of the industrial biotechnology paper. So in this the unit 4 there is a special point is that the biotransformation. So today's lecture we are discussing the biotransformation. Biotransformations. Okay, so according to the meaning, so it is simply is that bio means living and transformation means one substance to the another, one to another substance. So simply bio means the living and the transformation means the one to the another substance. So simply is known as a biotransformation. The complete word, the biotransformation means the living organisms such as the various types of the microorganisms, they are converting into the one substances to the another substances. So it is simply known as a biotransformation. So nowadays the different types of the microbial species they are using for to the transformation of the various compounds. Okay, so which purposes? So there are the various purposes like for to the activity purposes. What is the purposes for the biotransformations? Activity purposes. Suppose some type of the substances are the more active, that is converted into the another compound. So it is a actively transformed into the one compound to the another compound. For to increases its activity, increases it is activity, it is also type of the biotransformation. So the living type of the organisms they are the contribute to the different type of the transformation. So specially these are the types of transformation. There are the various type of the oxidation, reduction, hydrolytic, condensation reactions. Okay, these are the reactions are involved from to the transformation of the one compound to the another compound. Okay, जे different types of जे bacteria वगैरह जे असतात ते काय करतात, ट्रान्सफॉर्म करतात one compound to the another compound. So different types of the compounds. Okay, so what is the reason of this the transformation? In this the bacterial cell it contains the different types of the enzymes. Okay, these are the carry out the various type of the reactions to convert the one substance into the another substances. Okay, so sometimes the some compounds are the toxic in nature. So by using the various type of the microbial strains, so they are converted into the non-toxic or the low level of the toxicity, reduce its toxicity. It is also the biotransformations. Okay, simply means bio means the living organisms to carry out the transformation. So it is simply known as a biotransformations. Okay, in this the microbial transformation, the microorganism have the ability to the chemically modify the wide variety of the organic compound. Okay, काय करतात जे different types of the microorganisms they synthesizing in this the cell. These are the different type of the enzymes, they carry out the different type of the reaction like the oxidation, reduction, okay, condensation, hydrolysis, esterification. There are the different type of the reaction they are carried out in these the cells. Okay, so the microorganism is modify the wide variety of the organic compounds such as a change are called as a biological or the microbial transformation. It is also known as a microbial biotransformation or the microtransformations. Okay, more generally the bioconversion transformation are the are in this the enzymatic reaction is the substrate may be metabolized. ते काय करतात, substrates metabolize करतात and these are converted into the product and these the product it is our another compound to their transform. काय करतात microorganisms जे असतात ते काय करतात, ते त्यांचे जे enzyme secrete करतात, they is act on the particular substrate and these the substrate enzyme substrate complex is formed. After this the reaction is catalyzed, after this the formation of the product and this product it is our the microbial transformation also. So the microbial transformation, the substrate it is act as for to the transformation and these the microbes are transformed into the another compound. So it is simply known as a biotransformations. सिंपल लक्षात घ्या, एखादा सबस्टेट आपल्याला माहिती आहे, enzyme it is act on the substrate. Okay, so the various type of the microbials in this the biotransformation levels, they acting on a different type of the substrate, then it converted into the product. Okay, so it is known as a biotransformations. Okay, so types of the biotransformation reactions. Okay, which are the types of the biotransformations? We are discussing the types of biotransformation. Types of biotransformations. So in your unit 4, they are the mentioning that the types of biotransformations, there are the different types, they are in the biotransformation level. So these types are oxidation, reduction, third one hydrolytic reactions, fourth one condensation reactions. Okay, in these the types of the biotransformation in your unit 4, they are the mentioned that oxidation, reduction, hydrolytic and the condensation reaction. There are the other many types of the biotransformation reaction like the hydrolysis, esterification, hydroxylation, hydrogenation. Okay, there are the more are the types of the biotransformation, but in our syllabus they are the mentioned on these are only the 4 types of the biotransformation. So there's reason is that we are discussing only the these 4 type of the biotransformation. Okay, so we are discussing the one by one in detail the what is the reaction it is carried out in this the transformation reactions. Okay, oxidation. So simply meaning is that to the donation of the electron or the oxidize to the compound. Okay, याच्यात काय होतं, donation of electron, donation of oxygen and gain of electron. याच्यात काय होतं, what is the meaning of oxidation? Oxy means to the donation of the oxygen and the gain of the electron. So simply it is known as a oxidation reaction. तर याच्यामध्ये काय होतो, जो डिफरंट टाइप्स ऑफ द मायक्रोबियल स्पेसिस असतात ते काय करतात, ऑक्सिडेशन टाइप ऑफ द रिएक्शन फॉलो करतात. मीन्स इट डोनेटिंग द ऑक्सिजन टू द अनदर कंपाउंड्स. So they act on the substrate and these the substrate they are the carry out the oxidotypic reaction. It results its mean then the substrate is oxidized and then it the converted into the another compound through the microvilli. So different type of the enzyme in this the cell of this the bacteria, they are the or the microbes, they are the producing the oxidative type of the reaction and then carry the another compound to the microbial transformations. Okay, what is oxidation? It is a donation of the oxygen and the gain of electron. It is known as a oxidation reaction. So they are carried out the microbial transformations. Okay, so the another type of the transformation that is reduction. So the best example for the oxidation, ketone, aldehyde and the ketone, it converted into the alcohols. It is a example of the oxidations. Okay, so next is a reduction. So it is a reverse to that of the oxidation. Okay, तर याच्यामध्ये काय होतं, gain of oxygen, gain of O2 and loss of electron. Okay, तर याला काय म्हणतो आपण, रिडक्शन म्हणतो. इट इज अपोजिट टू दॅट ऑफ द ऑक्सिडेशन. ऑक्सिडेशन मध्ये काय होतं, डोनेट होतं, तर याच्यामध्ये काय होतं, गेन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन, बट इट इज अ लॉस ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन. Okay, but in oxidation there are the gain of electron and the loss of oxygen. In this the reduction, the gain of oxygen and the loss of electron. Okay, the reduction reaction, it is also carry out the various type of the microbial transformation. The different type of the microbial species, they are produces the reductive type of the enzymes. They act on this the substrate and the product it converted into the reductive product. Okay, there are reductiveness that occur in that of the substrate and this the product is converted into the another compound. Okay, so simply it is known as a biotransformation. This is also carried out in this the cell of that of the microorganisms. The best example, the aldehyde ketones. Okay, ketones, it is converted into the alcohol. It is also example of the reduction, and it is also apply on the example of oxidation. Okay, so next types of the biotransformation reaction, that is hydrolytic reactions. Hydrolytic reactions. So simple means hydro means H2O, water, and the lytic means cleavage. So in this the hydro means the water and the cleavage. They are the cleaving the molecule through the water, so simply known as a hydrolytic reaction. In these the reactions, the various microbial species, they are the produces the different type of the hydrolytic enzymes in their the cells, so they are the act on a hydrolytic reactions. Okay, means hydro means the water and the lytic means cleavage. They are the removing the water molecule. We in those the hydrolysis, they are the removing of the water molecule or other water hydrophilic molecules. Okay, in this the reaction, they are converted into the another compounds through the hydrolytic cleavage. Okay, hydrolytic cleavage that occur on the substrate, the enzyme, hydrolytic enzyme that is act on that of the substrate, and then the hydrolytic reaction it is carried out, they are converted into the another compound through the hydrolytic reactions. Okay, hydro means the water and the lytic means is the cleavage. Okay, they are cleave the water molecules through the water molecules. They are cleavaging the water molecules. It is also they are eliminating the water molecules, are also they are the eliminating or cleavaging the other hydrophilic molecule are also possible in the hydrolytic reactions. Okay, they are cleaving the hydrogen molecule to the presence of water, so it is simply known as a hydrolytic reaction. Okay, hydrolytic reactions. Okay, so next point, types of biotransformation, that is for condensation reactions. Condensation reactions. So condense, okay, joining or sticking of two molecules, so simply known as a condensation reaction. याच्यामध्ये काय होतं? So you know the metabolism. In this the metabolism, these are the three concepts: metabolism, catabolism, and the anabolism. Okay, to synthesizing the large molecule from to the small molecule, so simply it is known as a anabolism. And this is the catabolism, to produces the small molecule from to the degradation of the large molecule, so it is known as a catabolism. So we are focused on this the anabolism. So in this the anabolism, which are the process are the occur in anabolism, to joining of the small molecules and it produces the large molecule, so it is known as a anabolism. Simply same like in the condensation reaction, the two small molecules condense into form of the large molecule. The condensation of the reaction, there are the two types: cis condensation and the trans condensation. Cis and trans. Okay, cis condensation reaction means it is a cis means homo means same, the same small molecules interact to each other and they form the bond with each other, that is known as a condensation, cis condensation reaction. The trans means it is a two heterophilic molecules, two heterophilic small molecules condense, stick to the each other, then to the formation of the various types of the bond, so it is known as a trans condensation reaction. Means the splitting to attaching of these two molecules and the formation of the bond. There are the different types of the bond. There are the form like the ionic bond, covalent bond, hydrophobic interactions. Okay, these are the various types of the interaction, various types of the bonds are the form between the two small molecules and to synthesizing the large molecule through the biological molecules. Okay, there are the various bacterial cells. It is also to producing the condensation reacting enzymes. They are the act on the substrate for to the joining of to the substance. Okay, you all know that the genetic engineering, the ligating enzymes. Okay, you know the ligase enzyme that are to joining to the two molecules. Same like of the condensating enzymes, it is act on the two molecules for to the joining purposes reactions. Okay, condensation reaction. So it is also carried out by the microbiologically. Okay, so it is known as a biotransformation. So here we are completed the types of the biotransformation. There are the 4 types of the biotransformation, including in your 4th unit of the industrial biotechnology. Okay, that is the oxidation, reduction, condensation, and the hydrolytic reactions. Okay, so these are the completed. So the next point. So next point, the biotransformation of the steroids. Okay, so the biotransformation of the steroid, this part we are discussing in a next lecture. Okay, so thank you for joining this video.